American television actress Mariska Hargitay, who is popular for her appearance as Olivia Benson, a detective sergeant on the show Law and Order. Real life. Mariska Magdolna Hargitay was born in the year 1964. On the 23rd of January in California, to Jayne Mansfield and Mariska Hargitay. Both of her parents had been popular personalities at a time. Her mother in the 1950s was a sex symbol, whereas her father was a former Mr. Universe. She was raised as a Roman Catholic and had two more siblings and three half siblings. Her parents got divorced in the year 1963. But because their Mexican divorce was rendered invalid, they came together for Mariska's birthday and then got separated again later. Mariska went to Marymount High School, which was a Catholic secondary school. In her school days, she was active in extracurricular activities like cheerleading, athletics, theatre, as well as a student government. She was passionate about acting and joined UCLA after she graduated from high school. She completed high school in 1982 and became the Miss Beverly Hills in the same year. When she was still in her freshman year, she not only had an agent but had also done multiple small roles. She left UCLA in between and started her acting career. Personal life. Mariska married her co-star from Law and Order, Peter Herman, in 2004. The couple had their first child in 2006, adopted two more kids in 2011. Age, height and weight. Being born on 23 January 1964, Mariska Hargitay is 58 years old as of today's date, 11th May 2022. Her height is 1.72 meter tall and weight is 65 kg. Career. After being crowned Miss Beverly Hills and leaving college midway, Mariska got into acting and became a part of the groundings improve group. Thus appearing on multiple shows in small roles. She featured in Falcon Crest, Seinfeld, Tequila and Bounty, and R. Awards and achievements. For her role as Olivia Benson, she received 8 Emmy nominations, 2 Golden Globe nominations, and 6 nominations for Screen Guild Awards. Out of these nominations, she won 1 Emmy Award as well as a Golden Globe, with several other honors. Apart from these awards, she also made a happy place for herself in the hearts of all those women who were able to benefit from her foundation. Net worth and salary. Mariska became a popular name on television due to her appearance on one single show that lasted for years. She gained not only from but also wealth because of the show. Her net worth today is $80 million as of May 2022. Apart from acting, she is also running a foundation of her own to help women survivors of our sexual abuse.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways.